Let us further move for the addition polymerization. The polymers formed by the addition of monomers repeatedly without the removal of products are called as addition polymers, and these polymers contains all the atoms of monomers. Hence their molecular weight are integral multiple of monomer unit. For example, Teflon, polythene, polypropylene and PVC. Condensation polymers, they are formed by the combination of two monomers. As we already see, this is an example of copolymers also we can say. As you see the molecular mass, they have different chemical formulas or functional groups. For example, polyamides and polyesters. They have ester and amide linkage in their molecules. The speciality of condensation polymers. For example, nylons and polyesters. Now by structure, the polymerization has been just classified as linear polymers. As the name, linears is nothing but continuous repetitive units. So linears means there is no as such breakage, okay, neither it is branched, it's a linear, that is straight chain. So this type of polymers are called as linear polymers. Let us see what is branched polymers. As the name indicates, branching, so the polymers also be designed or it has been formed in the branches form. For example, LDPE and LLDPE. Let us see what is LLDPE and what is LLDP, that is low density polyethylene. Okay, so its properties are that they have low density, tensile strength and melting point. They are irregularly packed. Further moving to that, cross-linked polymers. Now see, this type of when we are just discussing about the structure polymers, you may come across or you may think in your mind that first of all, linear, it's very simple to remember linear polymers. It's a straight chain polymers. Then if you come across branch polymers, so as you know, you can imagine the branch polymers. We have taken the examples of branch polymers, that is low density polyethylene. Okay, then we have seen its properties. Now let's see what is cross polymers, cross linked polymers. As you see the structure of cross linked polymers, you may see that these monomeric units are linked together to constitute 3D network. See the 3D network structure. The link involved are called as cross links. They are hard, rigid and brittle. If you discuss about the physical properties, then these cross-linked polymers are hard, rigid and brittle due to their network structures. For example, bakelite, melamine, formaldehyde resins and vulcanized rubber. See the examples of cross-linked polymers. See, in this type of structure we can see the cross-linked polymers. These are the 3D structures. These are the examples of cross-linked polymers. Neoprene. Resins. What are resins? Low molecular weight polymers which used in adhesives. For example, epoxy adhesives and polysulfide adhesives. Now see, the next one is by tacticity. Now if we talk about the tacticity, then what do you understand the meaning of tacticity? Tacticity is nothing but the arrangement of the monomer units. Okay, how it is arranged. So under tacticity, if we see, it has been categorized with isotactic polymers, syntactic polymers and atactic polymers. If you see the structure of this isotactic, syntactic and atactic, then you will see that first of all we will see what is isotactic. The head to tail configuration in which functional groups are all deposited on the same side. एक साइड ही पूरी तरीके से आप देखते हो कि पूरे जो यूनिट्स हैं उसके फंक्शनल ग्रुप सिमिलर हैं, सो इसको हम बोलेंगे आइसोटैक्टिक। अब हम अगर देखते हैं सिंडियोटैक्टिक पॉलीमर्स, तो उसका देखेंगे हम लोग, इफ द डिपोजिशन ऑफ द साइड ग्रुप इज अल्टरनेटिंग फैशन। अगर देखते होंगे आप तो दो मोनोमर यूनिट सरीके है, फिर दूसरा है अरेंजमेंट डिफरेंट है, फिर सिमिलर है, फिर दैट इज अल्टरनेट अरेंजमेंट इज देयर। ओके, इन द थर्ड वन अगर आप देखते होंगे तो डिपोजिशन ऑफ साइड ग्रुप्स आर एट रैंडम, यानी ऐसा पहले इसमें क्या था, लगातार सेम रिपीटेटिंग यूनिट्स एक ही साइड से है। दूसरा सिंटैक्टिक्स में क्या है कि जो रिपीटेटिंग यूनिट्स हैं वो अल्टरनेटली अरेंज्ड है, यानी डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स, एक सिमिलर है, फिर मोनोमर जो यूनिट्स है वो अलग अलग अल्टरनेटली अरेंज्ड हैं। लेकिन अगर आप बात करते हो अटैक्टिक की, तो यहाँ पे जो अरेंजमेंट है मोनोमर यूनिट्स का वो इस प्रकार है कि इट्स रैंडम, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एक सेम साइड वाले हो और एक डिफरेंट है। So it's like it's a difference. That is nothing but a tacticity. Okay, that is the arrangement of the units, monomer units. Further, okay, thank you.